The last time we tested a Frontier was for a 5-truck comparison test in 2005, in which the Nissan finished second to the then revolutionary first-generation Honda Ridgeline. Despite the Frontier's minimal update for 2009, a big, dorky 4.0-liter V6, 261 horsepower, 281 pounds-to-foot, is still found under the hood of most models, including our Crew Cab Pro 4X test truck. Only some smaller King Cat variants with rear-hinged half-doors can be had with the 152-horsepower 2.5-liter inline-4, a standard 6-speed manual or, as in this example, a $1,050 automatic transmission, with just 5 forward gears, handles shifting duties on V6 versions. Unlike newer mid-size trucks, there is no full-time all-wheel drive setting for the Pro 4X's low-range 4-wheel drive transfer case. And the Frontier's power steering is still boosted by old-timey hydraulic assistance, which lends the wheel a firm, linear action, if not much feel. However, push the Frontier and it still acquits itself fairly well for a mid-size pickup. Our 4,616-pound test truck eclipsed 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds and covered the quarter mile in 15.8 at 87 miles per hour, making it slightly quicker than most of the Crew Cab Toyota Tacomas we've tested recently. It's not grossly outpaced by a similar Chevrolet Colorado or Honda Ridgeline, both of which pack considerably more horses. The Frontier's 189-foot stop from 70 miles per hour and 0.70 grams of grip around the skid pad, while not great, are acceptable for a mid-size truck with an off-road bent, which Pro 4X models reinforce with standard 4-wheel drive, Bilstein dampers, protective skid plates underneath, and an electronically locking rear differential. The Frontier's fully boxed ladder frame feels plenty stiff, and it rides on an independent front suspension and a conventional leaf spring live axle in back. Its dynamic responses are unmistakably slow and truck-like, giving it a simplistic charm when you're not in a hurry. But this Nissan likely will put off more shoppers with its utilitarian trappings than with how it actually goes down the road. Ride quality is decently composed and surprisingly smooth on all but the roughest pavement. The gruff V6 also provides ample passing power as it groans through the widely spaced ratios of the 5-speed automatic.